Hi everyone, this is Teacher Tanya speaking. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about something super fun and useful called Carroll diagrams. Carroll diagrams help us organize information in a neat way and they are great for sorting things into groups. Let's dive in. A Carroll diagram is a table that helps us sort objects, numbers, or people according to whether it fits certain criteria. It's like a big sorting box. Each row and column represents a different criterion, and we place items in the right spot based on those criteria. Let's look at our first example. What can you tell me about this diagram? What is it? Take a minute to think. Pause the video if you need it. Well, of course it is a Carroll diagram. And what does it tell us? Well, it has different criteria. It shows what fits in a category and what does not. In this case, we see that 3 children have brown eyes and 2 do not. But the 5 of them are shorter than 120 centimeters. So let's go for $1 million question. Who does not have brown eyes and is not shorter than 120 centimeters? If you answered Rhoda, Justin, or Kyle, you were right. Now let's see this Carroll diagram. Which numbers go where on this Carroll diagram? The criteria is being or not odd and being or not multiple of 3. Let's remember what an odd number is. A not odd number is an even number. Let's look at even numbers. Even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. They are the multiples of 2. Even numbers can be split into 2 equal groups with no leftovers. See how each block is stacked pairs up perfectly? That's what makes them even. Odd numbers are numbers that end up with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Notice how each block stack has one block that doesn't pair up perfectly. This is what makes them odd. They can't be split into 2 equal groups without having one left over. We see this problem when we are trying to play a fun game in the break, but we are odd and we have someone left over. So, as you can see, even numbers are the multiples of 2, and odd numbers are the multiples of 2 plus 1. Look, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 1, 7, and this goes like this. Now that we remember this, let's go back to the Carroll diagram. So let's fill up this Carroll diagram. Multiple of 3 and odd number. Well, 21 and 27 fit perfectly here because we know that they are multiples of 3, and as they finish in 1 and 7, they are odd numbers. Now let's go with multiples of 3 that are not odd numbers. So 12, 0, 66, and 150 are multiples of 3, but they are not odd numbers because they finish in 2, 0, 6, and 0, right? Let's watch for the ones that are not multiples of 3, but are odd numbers. We know that 7, 25, and 129 are not multiples of 3 and are odd because they are not multiples of 2 either. And lastly, we have the numbers that are not multiples of 3 and not odd. And we have 16, 76, and 34. 6 and 4 are numbers in which the even numbers end up with. So they are not odd, and of course they are not multiples of 3. So great job sorting all those numbers. By putting them into a Carroll diagram, we can easily see where each number belongs based on its properties. Thank you so much for watching. Be nice, keep focused, keep on practicing. And if you enjoy, give the thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.